Hey guys, welcome to Life Leap Fitness. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Today we are tidying the house for fall/winter. First things first, we gotta take care of all that dog hair. So Tucker likes to leave a lot of hair because he's a husky pup. So at this point we found a broom. It's a rubber broom called the Fur Mover. And so far we really like it for picking up all the dog hair.
Next, we try to vacuum the couch cushions and the pillows and get all of the dog hair off of them.
We also washed the pillows as well to freshen them up, and then just went ahead and bleached them white.
These are some of our favorite household cleaning products. We do our best to stay away from cleaning products that use a lot of chemicals, so there's a lot of natural products that you can use that you probably have in your cabinet that you can use for cleaning, and these are just some of our favorites.
After removing all the fur, we went ahead and started mopping. We got a new reusable mop head, and we mix in with that the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap with about 10 drops of lemon and pine essential oils.
And we mix all that together with warm water, and this mixture works great for wood floors and laminate.
So we also went through and we like to clean all our daily products so that we can get all the grime and get rid of all the germs that are on these things. Big one, coffee pot. All the time. Every day, hustling that coffee pot. Gotta clean it.
We also try to wipe down all of the cabinets and the cupboards, and these just tend to get fingerprints and food and things on them over time, so it's really good to wipe those down. It makes the kitchen look really fresh.
So earlier this past summer, we went ahead and tore out all the carpets in our place, and because we had these beautiful hardwood floors. At the same time, coming into winter, we had to get a few rugs to warm this place up. So
next, we'll show you what we use for cleaning the sinks in the kitchen and the bathroom. This is a great substitute for Ajax or Comet.
we go ahead and use some Arm & Hammer baking soda and add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide on top of that, combined with a bit of Dr. Bronner soap or even Dawn dish soap. Both work great for getting out the grime.
is a fall staple in our house. We don't typically buy all-purpose cleaners, but this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-purpose cleaner smells so great, and we found this last fall, and we were just really excited when we saw it again. So we picked up one of the bottles of this, and it works great for the kitchen, the bathroom, but typically we use it in the kitchen because it smells really nice.
We also have our own homemade cleaner that is a must when it comes to cleaning the bathroom.
For this all-purpose cleaner, you'll need an amber bottle and some Dr. Bronner's soap, or even Dawn dish soap would work. And then you're going to add hydrogen peroxide and some essential oils. I'm adding eucalyptus essential oil and then some citrus essential oil. And you'll mix that together all with some hot water.
This homemade cleaner works great for just cleaning the bathroom, as far as the floors, toilet, shower, everything in there.
Next up, this is the mixture we used for the mirrors. We have a 1-to-1 ratio of alcohol and white vinegar, and you can add some essential oils too if you want it to smell a little bit better, but white vinegar doesn't smell nearly as strong as other vinegars, so it's not really an issue for us.
Another thing that we use for inside the toilet bowl is baking soda and white vinegar. You just kind of let it sit in there for 5 minutes and then scrub it clean, and it works fantastic.
Okay, so this is my favorite tip. I'm not sure where I found this, but I like to sprinkle baking soda all over the mattress, maybe every other month or so. I try to even do it whenever I change the sheets. So this really helps kill odors, and you can just vacuum it up afterward. And I leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour, and it really seeps in and gets rid of all of the odor.
Alright, so next up here is our office space. This place can get really messy because this is where we shoot all our videos. We do all our work from home, all our programming. So we crash in this space a lot. It can tend to get a little bit cluttered. We usually are picking it up once or twice a week, but today it is deep clean day, getting that out.
We also take this time to sanitize our yoga mats and get them rolled up and ready to go alongside my gym bag, which I also cleaned out and repacked as well.
Okay, now that the deep clean is done, it is time to decorate, my favorite part.
We took out some of our favorite candles and hung leaves around, along with some of just little pumpkins and things that we had.
We also got a fresh bottle of hand soap for the bathroom. This is Miss Meyer's Fall Edition in Acorn Spice. I definitely picked this one out. It's good stuff.
Some of our other favorite candles are the Hearth and Hand brand from Target. This is like Magnolia's brand, and these smell so good, but also smell kind of fresh. So this is the one we have in the bathroom.
We also got some new sheets for the bed. These are freshly washed, but they are 100% organic cotton sheets from Hearth and Hand. Go the gains, get done. We don't always buy new sheets, obviously, but sometimes it's nice, especially after a few years, to swap out old sheets for some nice new sheets. And we also brought new pillows, so the bed's gonna be comfied.
We typically buy new pillows whenever we start to notice we aren't sleeping as well. So we haven't bought pillows since our wedding, which was 2 years ago. So we got these ones from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I'll link them below. But so far they've been really, really nice. And the bedspread Daniel got me for my birthday 2 years ago, and I just think it looks so autumnal. And this is by Threshold from Target.
Alright, so we're finishing up now and getting those last finishing touches done. We will complete our decorating. We hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.